Hi guys, and welcome to a special Father's Day, Daddy and Daughter Baking Day. And because it's Father's Day, we're going to do one of my favourites, which is Paradise Slice. I know we've done this one before in the past, but we're going to redo it again because we found a few easy ways to do it. So I'll hand over to Tamsin, and she's going to go through all of the ingredients that you need.
450 grams of sweetened short crust pastry.
This is shop bought one, so it's a lot easier than what we've done in the past. This is actually 375 grams, so you'll only need really that.
And then 225 grams of granulated sugar.
Which is there.
85 grams of ground almonds. 85 grams of desiccated coconut. 225 grams of unsalted butter.
Make sure that's soft as well.
2 large eggs. 170 grams of flour.
There you go.
170 grams of sultanas. Glazed cherries and raspberry jam.
Yep, raspberry jam. Yep. We've got glazed cherries. Again, just use a little tub. That's 200 grams. And what we've done is we've actually on that one, as you can probably see, we've cut some in half and left some whole. Right, first job, which is the easy part, what we do, this is what we call a two-part bake. So we're going to let's move this all to one side. All we're going to need for the moment, our oven is on 180 degrees for the fan. Let's say we've got our short crust pastry. Take that one out actually. Now this tray that I'm using is 250 millimeters by 370 millimeters, and it's probably about, I don't know, just over ½ inch thick. So first of all, just get our pastry and just roll it out into there. So it comes with baking paper, so if you leave that on, it's a bit easier for later on when we're going to be taking it out. Don't worry if it's just over. That's it. And once we've done that, so oven's on at 180 fan. This we need to put another sheet of paper over the top of it, and then Tamsin, if you pour in some baking beads. These are just baking beads to stop it from rising, or rather than baking beads, if you don't have them, you can use rice. So any uncooked rice, just to hold it down really, just to hold the pastry down. And that's it. We're going to just put that in the oven for around about 15 minutes. Then we'll take it out, leave it to cool, and then we're going to do the rest of the recipe. Tamsin, this is the blind bake that we did earlier on. Tamsin's just spreading a layer of jam. Like I say, that was in the oven for 180 degrees, fan oven for 15 minutes. Brought it out, wait for it to cool down, and then spread a thin layer of jam on it. But all we're going to do now then is we're going to mix everything else together in a really big bowl. So here I've got the butter melted a little bit, make it easier. And then we're just going to put everything in. First of all, hang on, get all giddy. Right, so bought this bowl especially for Paradise Slice. You need a big bowl. So put the eggs in for me first, please, Tamsin. Add them in. That's one.
Oh.
Yeah, just egg, not shell. That'll do. And then we'll put in the plain flour. the coconut and almonds in. Lovely. It smells lovely. And then I'll put in the raisins. Sorry, sultanas, my apologies. Told off by Master Chef. And then the cherries. So some of these cherries we've cut in half, some we've left whole. Don't be leaving them in there so you can eat half of them. That's it. So mix all that together. That's it. And then we bring over, that's it. Put it like that so we can see. Right. And all we're going to do now, just spoon this on. No, it'll be fine. Yeah, just, oh yeah, could get an old spoon, I suppose. Yeah. Just spread it. I'm going to spoon it on and spread it out until it's nice and even. Right, now that's all evenly spread out. It'll spread itself out a little bit anyway when it goes in the oven. So all we're going to do now, that goes in the oven. Let's say we put it on a 160 fan and that goes in for around about 40 minutes. So there you go. That's it. Right. And all we'll do at this point is, just before it cools down, we'll just sprinkle a little bit of sugar over the top of it. That should do, and we'll just leave it to cool down now.